Bush slide on the ice, Titans on the tube, zapper popping flies out here in the boons. I'm going nowhere.
How do you feel about what's going on here?
Well, it's a great name.
Hey, what's your last name?
White.
Crazy glad it's not black.
Cause I'm stuck in this town in my truck, riding around with a plug, a bone cut in my lip. You'd have to cut the whole tree down, can't rip these roots out the ground. Ain't getting out and I don't care, cause why in the hell would I leave? I don't need anything but fried chicken and crickets. If there's a yellow pine box, you can carry me in. If this red dirt, you can bury me in it. I'm going
Fuck you, it's my birthday. I don't have to tell you nothing. It's my birthday. I'll cry if I want to. But we're just digging out a septic. We're getting an inspection for it. That's all. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You gotta walk around like Enterprise renting a car.
Oh, fuck man.
Yeah, you know what? This is good. We're inspecting right now. I mean, you could use the fucking clean.
Dude, everybody picks their boots up.
Oh, it's Alice's truck?
So the dents are him.
I bet you this is too hot.
I bet you it is.
Let's stop.
Hey, try to fucking actually get the sand without taking the ground underneath it, eh?
I'm just trying to go back to nature.
See, I'm respecting Daniel's wishes. Look at my fucking...
I see that, yeah, and you're wearing safety boots too.
Sorry, Kaz. Wait, what? That's great.
He's got the fucking thing upside down.
I'm like, what the fuck's the black thing on top?
Yeah, you're fucking dead on everywhere, bud.
Yeah! It's a lot of fuck niggas in the club tonight. Fuck them. Fuck them. But it's gonna be alright.
You're good?
Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck, nigga. Sweet that. Yeah, baby. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you want some, come get some. Cause where I'm from, with your big gun.
Dude, your back tire was like 3 feet off the air. What? Fuck yeah. Back and burns down, right?
Where it burns.
Actually, this is your second day here. We just installed the EcoFlow unit. Connor spread a whole bunch of coconut and fucking peat moss this morning. And Daniel's just back on the septic bed. Inspections tomorrow morning. That's just about it. Connor, give you your rundown now. Do a comparison.
Well, here we are at Alex's and I's pig pen. I got about 14 bags of fill and septic.
14 bags of what? We had 12 of coconut husk and 15 of peat moss. 27.
Any more, I'd have to take my shoes off.
27's more than you have in fucking hands and toes.
Yeah, I know. Well, being a white, you got extended limbs.
Hi, do you have like 2 seconds? Or are you busy?
No, I'm driving.
Oh, okay, I have a question for you. I need to know if you think something's funny. I was laughing thinking about somebody's name being Dick Dick Goose and Whoopi told me to shut up.
Justifiably so. For the first time ever on the same page as Whoopi.
God damn it, you're done. Fuck that guy. Fuck you guys, that's funny.
Keeping it clean, bud. Keeping it fucking clean. We are at a commercial site today. I'm hauling in the Western Star Tandem. Ladies and gentlemen, we got some big tanks going in the hole this week. So right now we're making room for those tanks. I can see how much. You're good. Yeah, fucking half loads are off, bro.
The last time it was like falling out of the truck. He's like, another one, another one.
I don't think I can fit it.
Cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Yeah, I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me.
Here at a construction site where construction on-site things go on. Machines go boom, boom. Dump trucks go beep, beep, beep.
Fuck, they were pretty low too. You just sit on top of the septic.
What the fuck? You know how nice it was not having Wooby around? Like, sure, we didn't get YouTube videos or TikToks or Instagram stories and all that stuff. But on the flip side,
If I just don't give him content, he'll get fired.
he's like, here, take my camera, go do my job.
Lazy fuck.
Well, I thought I better stop in.
It's nice to see you. It's like a fresh air out here. We need you out here more often. Don't get those boots dirty.
I'm not gonna try.
Boy Brothers is here. We've been waiting all day, all week, all year. You can see all the tanks on the trucks over yonder. So they're going to unhook trailers, come in, back up, drop the tank in, go back up to the trailer, pull it onto the truck, come in, back in, drop that one in. Then they're going to switch trucks and do the same thing 3 more times. I feel great about it. This guy's right in our way.
What we were doing here is we got our first 30,000 liter tank in, largest precast tank that they can make. We got another one coming in. And what we're doing right here is Darren's prepping the spot for this third tank that's gonna go in here. It's gonna sit a little bit higher, so right now we're just making a base for it.
Now you spin the laser towards the other thing.
Hey, don't go so fucking hard on him. It's all right, Denver. You're doing a good job. You're a little fucking stupid, but it's fine.
I got hoes calling a young little phone. Where's Ollie with the motherfucking dog? Bitch, I be ballin' like a motherfucking pro. I be ballin' like my nigga Mo.
I'm like, I need a laborer. Zach came running over like he hated his life over there. He's like, I am a laborer. Okay, what we got is the first for me after 20 years of septic. It's the first time I've seen it, first time I'm doing it. This is a nitrogen reduction system. So what it's doing is reducing the amount of nitrogen that's in the effluent of the system to meet the requirements for whatever the engineer spec for the bed. So we're basically building an Oreo cookie of different aggregates. We put limestone in the bottom, then we put a layer of pea gravel. Now they're putting a layer of sulfur with stone chips in it. Then we're gonna top that up with some more limestone. So it's like a layered cake. And what that does is remove nitrates from the pea water, is what it does. Apparently, I'm not an engineer, but that's what they tell me. Anyway, I like it. I can make that work. I can make that work. Unhook the son of a bitch. Let's go home.
The pump's on this side, so that's good.
What, you think it's leaning?
Yeah.
It's not leaning. You're crazy. I am so confident in your guys' fucking work since 6 of you did it that I'm not even gonna check. 69. Because I was trying to figure out how to make a 6 earlier. Didn't work. I was like, no, I was trying to make an S. Didn't work. Anyway, we'll hook this son of a bitch up tomorrow! Okay. Let's do the math. 30,000, 30,000, 60,000, plus 18,000, 78,000, plus 9,600, 4,000 liters of tanks. You need to fill up one flush at a time. I don't even think anybody's doing laundry here. So, anyway, you need to get out. Fuck, pap, pap, fuck.
As we all know, deer season is upon us, and every year Ken White Construction comes out with some of the dopest shit so that you guys look super cool in the bush at your hunt camps for the parties. This year we got the buck with a dart with the Ken White hat on. Ken White Construction ripping down the sides. This is a very limited drop. We always do this every year. It will never come back again. So if you would like a KWC hunting merch limited drop, link is down below for that. As always, this was a wrap up on the video. The tanks are in. Everything is inside the tanks. We are now completed. Take care.
Hey, you should call Daniel. Tell him I'm a better operator than him. Just get him going.
But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the True Patriots channel. I watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Tank Day. Why are you commenting down below Tank Day? Well, this was one of the biggest, largest tank days in KWC history. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below Tank Day. I appreciate you guys. Check this out. Dude, last time, these sold out within 24 hours. Not these exact hoodies, but our hunt camp merch. So make sure to go down there and grab it. Have a good weekend. Take care.